Hi guys, welcome to Stunner Share. So today, what is the topic we are going to see is like we are going to see Nifty analysis for today, and then few trades which I've taken via my screeners alerts, and then today no calls were posted in Traders Spot channel, and tomorrow also there will not be any calls. I guess this is what the message posted in the channel, and so so I guess tomorrow and after tomorrow, sorry, today and tomorrow there will not be any calls in Traders Pro channel, and hence there will not be any update in our task for the payment also. So if we check the Nifty analysis for today, and I hope everyone would have seen my live update also. So initially the candle started very weak. The candles were closed below the support S1, but then I expected the target of S2, and that was done, and that is what the first analysis or the first update video which I have shown. They are saying like it was completely Nifty showing a bearish trend. But later point of time, what I could see is like Nifty just took the support at weekly support 1 and then started trying to consolidate. So once after seeing all those consolidations and all those things, then I started telling you guys like Nifty is trapping us. So right now we are at no trade zone. So wait for a proper breakout. And then I could see a double bottom which is happening. And this is the double bottom which I could see. This is the double bottom, and once the double bottom I saw, then also I started uploading a video stating like a Nifty I could see a double bottom. So Nifty high is at threat, and the same thing has happened, and Nifty high was again broken. And what happened next is like it went to fill the gap, and that is what has happened. So the day ended, the last day ended over here, and the same way the market went and touched it and then started to rest. So this is what has happened today. So basically, Nifty tried to trap us, but if you were following my channel or following the updates whichever I'm giving, or just applying price action theory, then you would have easily minted some good profit. So how I was able to predict Nifty is going for a double bottom or Nifty is going to take a high is like I just what did I felt like? What did I feel is like some people are giving buy calls. I mean, some people are giving sell calls. I was like, wait, let me see where Nifty is trying to take a support or resistance. So when Nifty started coming over the same place where Nifty got took a support last time, the same place Nifty came and started giving some lot of candles over here, and that is where when I said people to be very cautious, the breakdown and close for further down, else Nifty may go for a high. So that is what I was trying to say. So the candles are weak, and the candles told that it is not giving a proper sign of fall, and that is why I just told people that okay, stay cautious. And once it started moving down, then I felt like it can become a double bottom, and I just draw a trend line over here, connecting this high and this high, and then I saw whether I want to ensure that whether this is getting broken. And once that got broken, then I updated people like saying that it is going for a double bottom, and the probability of seeing days high is very high because the distance covered between the sorry guys, the distance covered between the high and the low of a double bottom is the same distance I gave over here, and that is why I told the Nifty high is at threat. And after giving a breakout, just took a pullback and then took a support at daily S2, and it started giving a breakout, and in one single candle it crossed the Nifty day high. So that is what the update I gave for live update to the friends over here in the YouTube channel. So this is all about the Nifty analysis. Nifty analysis, though it started with a bit power of showing bearishness, but it started taking support over the S2 and daily S2 and weekly S1. So once these two were acting as a good support, it started reversing and consolidating for a more time, and started giving us a double bottom pattern, which ensured that day high can be broken. And once day high is broken, you can be very sure that the gap can be filled, and that is what has happened for today. So this is all about the Nifty analysis using CPR strategy and using the price action theory, whatever we are going to apply over here. So, and next what I wanted to show you guys, like in the Nifty live first update video itself, I told I took Dr. Reddy's stock and I booked 1%, and the same way I took Bharti Airtel and I booked 1% over here. If you could see here, you could see 544 I took an entry and 548.5 I exited. This is based on the alert I got from my screener. So how did I do that? So this is the Dr. Reddy call which I also already updated. So this is where my entry point, and 1% I took the exit over here, and still it went from my exit point to another 20 to 30 points. It has fallen back, but we need not worry about it. We will just stick to our 1% area, and that is what I have done today. And Bharti Airtel was a stock which I took for buy side, and once after seeing this candle break, I just waited for some time. Why did I wait for some time? Because you cannot see over here. I will explain it in CPR, so then you will be able to understand why did I waited for Airtel entry. Clear. So why did I wait for an Airtel entry? Is like, see, there is a CPR over here, and I'm not sure whether this CPR can act as a resistance and can bring back the entry. So I was waiting for a pullback to happen. So this pullback gave me the assurance that okay, there is possibility of movement towards R1. So that is why I took an entry at 543, and my entry was at 543, and after that my exit was at 548.5, which is nothing but 1%, which is near to previous day high. And once after previous day high, it again went for a swing low, just giving a higher low, and then it started to break more further high. So this is what has happened today. So if you ask me about the SL, what should I have kept? So this was my entry point, clear? And this was my entry point. So my SL should be over here. So the any candle at that place, so my SL should be over here. Clear? So once after it got a breakout over here, then the candle started moving here, and it gave a breakout over here. If suppose I want to trail my stop loss, if suppose I want to trail my stop loss, I want to trail my profit, then once it has reached my target of 580, then I need to shift my SL over here. Here, and after that it again went for a pullback. If the candle has closed below this point, then I should have exited the trade. See guys, I am using line chart as well as candles, so don't get confused. Line chart to get to know where is the actual low and where is the swing low, and candles will tell me the actual low. So this below this low, I will be exiting the trade, and the candles what has done is like it took a higher low and started moving up. So if suppose one wants to trail their profit, they can use the swing low option, or one is happy with 1% like me, then they can book their profit and at their 1% itself. So this is what the alerts which this was the stocks which I took from my alerts, and the Nifty analysis using CPR strategy also. Sorry guys. If in case of any queries, kindly do let me know in the comment section or via mail with proper date and screenshot so that I can help you guys. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks a lot. Keep liking, keep subscribing, keep sharing. Bye bye.